Hey everybody, this is Lane. I just wanted to go over everything I'm going to be packing for my Continental Divide trip. I've been getting some requests to show it. So here we go, we're just going to run through everything. Kind of laid it out. See it? A lot of crap. Yeah. Obviously helmet, City Adventure boots, which I really like them. Okay. Nelson rig, tank bag is also expandable to double that height if I need, and the rain cover that goes with it. All my stuff is Nelson rigs. My saddlebags are Nelson rigs 3050, and my tank bag, I couldn't tell you what it is. Nelson rigs, I don't know, Adventure. But yeah, I love Nelson rigs products. They're well priced, well made. They have a good selection. As far as I'm concerned, you can't beat them. Okay, to start with, I'm only going to bring one pair of gloves. I'm not bringing a winter pair of gloves, even though I'm being told that probably the upper two-thirds of our trip is going to be quite cold. So what I'm going to do instead, to go down on the package, is I'm bringing a bunch of the rubber surgical gloves that I'll put them on and then put them in there, and that'll keep my hands warm. Plus I do have hand warmers on my motorcycle, the grips. Small little pair of binoculars, headlamp, 4-liter water cell. Got another 4-liter water cell in my backpack, and then a little bit of storage in my backpack here. Okay. Then a pair of goggles when it gets really, really dusty. I am bringing a warm weather armor for when I don't feel like wearing the jacket. The Lucy solar light, those things are awesome. A 2-person Xeon hike and bike tent, I really like it. Worked out good. Commit pillow, air pillow, small towel. It's not really silk, but it's kind of a slick material that's cool that I'll use on like hot nights when I don't want the sleeping bag, or I'll use this as an additional liner in the sleeping bag when it gets cold. Little fold-up table, fold-up camp chair, which is really nice because that one happens to be high back, so it's really comfortable. Insulated air mattress, the hike and bike 20-degree sleeping bag, obviously rain suit, chain guard, just extra duct tape and ties, small ropes, chain brush, a second kickstand if I have to get any tires up off the ground, some super glue, never know. This is just odds and ends, Loctite, wrenches for the axles, patches, even though I do have tubeless tires, small pair of pliers, steel putty, electric tape, steel wire. Got a jump starter battery, which the main reason I'm bringing that is going to be for recharging stuff that I can't charge. First aid kit, knee brace, anti-monkey butt, plugs, 150 watt inverter for when I'm working on the computer. I can just plug it in the motorcycle, start the motorcycle up, let it sit there and run and work. Little Bluetooth speaker. Spare set of glasses. Because last time I did lose my glasses and they was never set. Got a little 10-inch, very nice, I like it, 3-in-1 PC, tablet, laptop. I'm bringing this chopper, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's wicked. Because, we need to chop firewood, limbs, things like that, never know, and it slides right up under the bags and everything, so it literally takes no space or room. My rescue pulley system, got a two pulley system on it, which gives me a 5-to-1 pull. And with 5-to-1 pull, I could hang your motorcycle in a tree if you wanted to. It's carbon fiber rope, so it's super strong and weighs not much of anything. This I'm still debating on. Being how there's going to be 2 of us, we should be able to push or pull our way out of most anything. but I don't know. You just never know. I mean, I mainly carry this when I'm by myself. The little bivouac, whatever they call these little things you wear under your helmet. My rain and winter liner for my jacket. Liner for my pants. Thermacell mosquito repeller. Believe it or not, they work. I just wish they would work longer. You know, they're good for, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. And you got to change them. Just regular old propane, little expanded cups. My other mess kit was pretty well burned out, so I went and got a new one on eBay. Just standard little mess kit. It's a little frying pan. A standard little stove. As far as protection and security, I'm just going to bring my little 380. It should be all I need. I mean, honestly, I'm not worried about human predators. I don't think that'll be an issue for the places we're going to be at. But if the need arises, the 380 will more than take care of the issue. I'm more worried about, you know, animal predators, which in the areas we're going to be would be bear and cougars, mountain lions. Okay? Short of me bringing, you know, one of my big rifles or my 45, all these are going to do is piss them off. So you don't want to shoot them with this. You want to shoot, maybe throw some dirt up on them, but you want the bang to scare them away, hopefully. And I also do have a can of bear spray. Maverick Air drone will be going. So we'll be doing drone videos along the way also. And then the only other things I don't have out here is going to be food, which, you know, where we're going to have to go into town a minimum of, you know, every 2 or 3 days. You know, nothing else, just to get gas. I figure we just stop in, get 2 or 3 days worth of food at Walmart, Dollar Tree, you know, anywhere. And that way we're not carrying a hell of a lot of food because we don't need to. And then clothes, I'm not going to bring a lot of clothes for the same reason. You know, if push comes to shove, you jump into Walmart or something and grab a t-shirt. But what I am going to bring is one long sleeve shirt to use for layering if it gets cold, 3 t-shirts, 3 pairs of underwear, 3 pairs of socks. That's it. So we will do laundry along the way somewhere, but that's it. You know, and then a pair of long pants that will unzip, the hiking pants that unzip and turn into shorts. And then I will have a pair of shorts I'll be wearing under my riding pants. And that's going to be it. And obviously I don't have that stuff out here yet, but this is everything except food and clothing. And that's it. So I'm going to start getting this stuff packed up. Once I get it all packed up, then I'll hang it on the motorcycle and I'll take you some videos of the motorcycle, how everything packs and fits up and looks. Thanks a lot.